Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Use for Tunes. Today I'll discuss about set the print area to only print select cells in Google Sheets part 2. Step 5, choose file, then print from Google Sheets menu bar. From Google Sheets menu bar, alternatively press Ctrl plus P Ctrl P Windows or Command P for Mac or Command P for Mac. Step 6, select selected cells from the print drop-down menu. From the print drop-down menu, on the right, this ensures only the selected cells are printed. Step 7, select next at the top of the screen. Number 8, follow the standard print process. Follow the standard print process to print your cells. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.